Hi there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. Recently I had a phone call from a customer saying that their Cobra wasn't picking up any dust. There wasn't any dust in the bag, it was just left on the floor. So we went through the basis of checking that the tube was free of debris and inside there, and there's no blockage in the bag, still leaving dust on the floor. So that brought me to having to take off the side of the machine and make sure that there's nothing wrapped around the fan, the exhaust fan that's inside, that's spun by the motor. So I've just done this video here to show you how to remove it, and we're going to see if this machine has anything clogged it up. So you'll find where the fan is in here, and what it's doing is propelling and drawing in the dust from the floor up the dust tube and into the dust bag. So we want to get behind here where the fan is. So the first thing we want to do is remove the drive belt. And then we have here 1, 2, 3 screws that we need to remove. So I've got my 5mm hex key to remove these screws here. Always take the lid off as well, because that's going to stop this from coming off. So let's just loosen these now. So in here you'll find that when the motor here will spin, it will also spin the drum at the bottom here, and it also spins this pulley here, which is the fan. So that's what's drawing all of the dust out. So this looks free of debris, but if you find that your machine isn't picking up any dust on the floor, it's not collecting in the bag, always check here to see if there's any debris or anything wrapped in there. This is nice and clean. And also check in here for any foreign bodies. It looks decent, nice and clean in there. But if you have a look at the picture here now, you can see that a customer has pulled this off after having a conversation with them the other day, and they found an abrasive belt that had been ripped and got jammed in there, which was stopping the floor from picking up the dust. So we've just run through this, and luckily they got back to sanding pretty quickly, dust free. So now we've got this off, now it's just a simple case of putting it back on. So again, the 3 screws, and just make sure that the fan sits snug in there. And then the screws match up with the holes. Drive belt to go back on. If you're struggling to find out how to put the drive belt on, there's always a diagram on the side here which tells you which pulleys and which roller bearing that they go on. Now it's ready for sanding now.